Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Twitter account to a professional account. So we need to now head over to our Twitter, and then once we open up Twitter, what we can do is click on our profile picture. Once we do this, as you can see near the bottom of the page right there will now be an option for professional tools. If we click on the drop down menu, you will have an option now for Twitter for professionals. If you click on this will now initiate the start of the conversion. So what we can do is click on agree and continue. Now you can go ahead and upload a profile picture. So once you have uploaded a profile picture, we can now click on apply, and then you can then click on next. And then what you need to do now is add a brief description about yourself or about your service. And now you need to select a category which you do fall under. So for me, I will just go ahead and select education, for example. You can choose any one of these options right here. Click on next and then go ahead and choose whether you want it to be a business account or a creator account. So there's not really much difference between these. They are both a professional account. So choose which one is most relevant to you. Click on next. And then as you can see, you can go ahead, you can customize your profile, you can explore profile spotlights, and then once you are happy, you can click on skip for now, or you can, do one of these options right there. And then as you can see now, this account will now be a professional account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.